So one of the important things to remember about water is that every other human endeavor is dependent upon sustainable and resilient water management. So there are still billions of people in the world for whom safely managed drinking water, safely managed sanitation are not a reality. The public's expectations and the regulatory pressures continue to build. So even though the challenges are increasing, expectations are that water will always be there, it will always be clean, it will always be safe. So how can we possibly address all of that? Quite bluntly, there is no one answer. So of course it takes a lot of talented water professionals to make all of this happen, working with the digital tools.
Greg has started this introduction with a very important message about water. How it's one of the pillars of our economy, and for the development of our societies, because it's a vital and a strategic structural resource. And this means that when we think about managing and using, it is fundamental that it's based on sustainability and efficiency.
There are so many difficulties. First of all, the maps and the data is also not there. So this is a very big challenge. We are generating the data now, but how to utilize that data is a real problem.
I think it's really something important that Dr. Sanjay says. This whole non-revenue water thing, it's something we see everywhere, and it's a growing problem, and it's a huge problem, and a lot of places, just like India, are really challenged in addressing this problem.
With that said, there are three very important changes that we've seen because of these digital developments, and these are acceleration, accuracy, and efficiency in obtaining critical data for infrastructure development for water security. As we all know, water security is a global concern, and these three elements are highly necessary as we are racing against time to ensure equitable access to clean water and sanitation.
I think one of the big challenges we have around water is actually that people can understand it. The same water report that Harvey referred to also says that transparency around water and information on water is really important because it reduces conflict.
So our motto is from power to empower. That is a motto of this digital India.